Assalamualaikum everybody, welcome back to my channel. Kindly subscribe too if you're not subscribing right now. Also like and share. Okay, now today I'm making white sauce pasta. Follow each and every step for best results. Add oil, almost 2 tablespoons, then add 3 tablespoons of flour. Now roast your flour in oil very well and make a paste like this. Okay, now add 2 cups of milk. One thing important is make sure you mix all the things together while adding milk, so it will be like fully good texture sauce. Now it's time to add all the spices. First add salt as per your taste. And now add 2 tablespoons of chicken powder. You can also add chicken cube. Now adding 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. One tablespoon of white pepper is very important in white sauce pasta or in any sauce which is made up of milk. Now mix it all together. Its consistency should be like this. Not too thick, not too thin. And now I am adding penne pasta in it. And it's almost ready. Just cook it for 1 minute on your stove. Okay, now I'm serving it with dried parsley because parsley looks very good. And it's enjoying time. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and like my channel, and also share my videos if you like it, or tell me in comment sections how much you like it. Thank you so much.